Right in front of us, we have is a big Amazon box. It has Prime label all over it, even though I do not have Amazon Prime. I guess they're just trying to advertise that. So let's just come right into this. I can't see the cutting action on camera. So we change that. We want to see the cutting action on camera. That's what makes it unboxings exciting, because you want to be able to see the person unboxing. You cannot see them unboxing. Okay, so there's a variety of stuff in here. As we can see. Oh wow, that's looking so cool. That's looking very cool. Let me take this Q10 here and snap some photos of it. Actually, I should be using the iPhone really, because it'll take much better pictures. But anyway, I didn't bring it. I could just easily go and get it, but I'm just feeling lazy. So, okay, no, it's taking too long. So, okay, now I am back after I finished snapping those photos. Let's pop this to make some noise. Hopefully scare the neighbors. Ooh, that's loud. Woohoo! Wow. Woo! Seriously, that is really loud. Okay. Now, this is a lot smaller than I thought. It'll be interesting to see if my hard drive can actually fit inside this. In fact, should I actually go and grab it right now? No, okay, probably not right now. But I will test that after. Seriously, that's really small. Where am I going to put this up? Let's put this side over there. Underneath this box. Anchor. This is the 3-meter one. It better be a 3-meter one, or if it's not a 3-meter one, I'm going to send it right back. 10 feet. Yeah, that would be 3 meters. So, okay, good. Man, I tell you, man. I tell you. Can I open this at all? How do I open this? Should be careful. I don't want to drop my setup. Okay, so that's one open there. The other open there. And there's a big, beautiful red cord. Or Ceylon. It's not exactly there. Put that off to the side there. Wow, the iFixit kit, again, it's one of those things that you thought would be really big, and it's actually a lot smaller than it looks. Like, wow, I was thinking online, okay, this would be some big kit, but in person, it's actually quite compact. The same thing with this. It's like, wow. When you see online, then when you see it in person, it's like, whoa. Pictures just do you no justice. Alright, let's get out of frame. Okay, which way do I open this? Do I just push it out one way, or like, should I maybe do this off camera? No. We can do this. I can do it. I believe in myself. Do you believe in me, or do you think I'm just one big fail and a joke? Okay. You know, we'll look into this off camera because it's being a butt. My newer pop filter, I was gonna get one from another brand, but at almost $40, I'm like, I'm not so sure if I want to drop $40 on just a pop filter. Maybe it would have been worth it, maybe not. I don't. Do I hear a dog barking? Yes, a dog is barking. Anyways, try and take a look at that. Slide this open. And lucky. Oh, wow, it's quite big, so that's good. Okay. Put my back in. Hope we're not breaking anything. That off to the side. More spatulas from my Body Honey kit. If you haven't seen that video yet, do take a look at it. It is quite hilarious. I do not wax myself in that video, by the way, so if you're hoping for that, then you'll be grossly disappointed. Now, anchor, I believe this is that 4-port thing. Yeah, just bouncing on some rubber there. Okay, I should actually cut this open to see if it actually works. No, I'm not going to test it on camera, obviously. I'll have to do that separately. Okay, open this up. Stepping back on the rubber. This thing is so what is with these online photos that make these things look so big and in reality they're actually so small? Like, I thought this thing was gonna be gigantic. Not that I'm actually kind of glad it's actually compact, to tell the truth, because I was under the impression that, okay, it was this giant clunky thing that falls out of the socket easily. Because I know some people were saying that, but to my surprise, it's actually pretty compact. Like, wow, look at that. Anchor, IQ, of course, is gonna be a bit of glare because of the camera light on. Because if I turn off the camera light, let me show how dark it's gonna look. Yeah, it's gonna look just like that, and you can't really see anything. And then the noise is a lot more pronounced too. So I will turn the light back on. Okay, I am back. I had to take a phone call there, so that caused that part of the video to be rather abrupt. So let's go over this again. The newer pop filter. I hope this actually works well. Case for my Seagate. Let me show it here. I believe I ordered this back in 2017-16, I think. So I'm actually going to test that right now, so we can see how well it fits, because this is actually very, very important. This is the Biru gear. I don't think I actually mentioned that at the start of the video, so you can see it now. It looks awfully compact inside. If it does fit, great. If it doesn't, then that's going to be a problem. And it looks like it's going to fit. Should have also grabbed the wires and the USB for it, which you just tuck in here. But yeah, it actually fits. So, okay, that gets to my concern. I don't know how durable this case actually is, though. So an impression that would be like hard, because somebody described it being like a turtle shell. So that gave me an impression that would be hard. Actually, no, let me keep it in there. Let me keep it in there, because before I actually had this in plastic, so yeah, this can actually stay in there. The anchor. Actually, like how I have my Q10 around, I could actually stick this in there. Actually, no, I don't have to plug it into a wall, so never mind. We'll just put that in there. Okay, what else? Yeah, the anchor, 3 meters. I was able to open the iFixit kit, so you can see all these glorious goods here. Now for the spatulas for the waxing kit, because I happen to be a male exotic dancer, so I have to dance in front of ladies, and they do not like hairy men, so therefore I have to make my body ultra smooth and presentable. If you thought I was serious, then I feel bad for you, because that means you're a real sucker. Okay, why am I laughing like I'm so crazed? Anyways, that's making the video very lame, and I think I went over everything. Is there anything I missed? Nope, that's everything. So that would be the kit, the spatulas, did I discuss this thing? Yeah, I think I already discussed this. This is not a packet, throw it out. We can, that's the shelf that I fixed the kit. And yes, that's about it. Bought all of this on Amazon, so I'll drop links to them below. And now I am out. Did you like this video? Which of these products do you think is the coolest? I already know which one you are going to give a thumbs down, so shut up! Now comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner in the I circle. Do not bother listening to this strange, echoey outro song. I'm out.